We're here attempting to break the bell ringing record, 36 hours. The record's 34 hours. We're attempting to go 36 hours today.
Once again, we're partnering with the Salvation Army over the holidays, and they approached us and said, hey, you know, to kick off our Red Kettle Drive with Giant, we've got this great idea that we'd like to set a record for ringing the bell for more than 30 hours consecutively. And so do you have a 24-hour store where we might be able to have one of our representatives come out? And we said, absolutely.
I arrived at midnight and will be here until 12 o'clock Thursday afternoon. And what will be entailed really is just standing out here ringing the bell, and we have support throughout the day. Of course, you hear the band, they'll be out here supporting us, and we have some other folks coming out as well. So it's really just all about raising awareness for our kettle program. It's our major fundraiser for the year, and it really helps us to help others in the community who find themselves in need of some assistance. It also helps to pay for our Christmas programs. Just in this county alone, we're going to help over 1,000 children, and of course across the DC metro area we'll be helping thousands of children. Well, I have a little bell here that when the band's out here, I try to have a little quieter bell, and then when things get more in the middle of the day, I have a louder bell here to attract a little more attention, and then just this little silver bell if I want to keep things real quiet, just to ring that bell. Each bell is a little bit louder than the other. Well, I consider it an honor to be able to do this for the Salvation Army. I love the Salvation Army. I love what it stands for. We do a lot of great work, and so it really is a privilege and an honor for me to be able to do this.